Hi! Today we will make tempeh and walnut taco filling. Let's look at the ingredients, and we hope you enjoy it. 8 ounces of crumbled tempeh, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of walnuts diced, 1 green bell pepper diced, 1 can of tomato sauce, 2 or 3 teaspoons of barbecue seasoning, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This recipe takes only 5 steps. Let's look at them. Heat olive oil in a pan and add onions and cook until they look a bit transparent. After that, you will add bell pepper and saute both ingredients. The next step is adding the tempeh and mixing it with the onions and green pepper. After, you will add the walnuts. Mix all the ingredients and saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce. Make sure all the ingredients get mixed with the sauce and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you will add the barbecue seasoning. Add as much as you want, mix it, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. And the last ingredient is the chili powder. If you really like spicy food, feel free to add more. After all the spices have been added, let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once your filling is ready, now it's time to make your tacos. Remember to add some salad on the side. This will make it a nutritious and delicious meal. We hope you enjoy it. See you next time!